Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Syed Ali. Today we have some questions regarding algebraic expression, and the first question is find the perimeter of each shape, right, of each figure. So we have here some figures. We will go over them one by one, and the second question is find the area of whole figure. Whole figure means this figure is made up of two sections. One section is the rectangle, other section is again rectangle, right? So we have to find out the area in this case for the whole figure, right? So that will be consisting of two figure, right? So we will see how to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all the sides, you know that. So here sum of all the sides means we have 3x plus 3x plus 8 plus 8, right? One way of doing this is that we know that it is sum of all the sides, so we can say that it is 6x plus 8 plus 8 is 16, right? Another way of writing it is in terms of the formula, which is we say that perimeter is equals to 2 times L times width. 2 times. When you open it, it is 2L plus 2W. This we learned in the last video, that multiplication, distributive property of multiplication, right? In this case, what we do, we just put 3x and then times 8, right? 3x times 3x plus, right? 2L plus 2W. So 3x plus 8. And if you open it, it's again 6x plus 16, same thing. So we need to remember that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus W. And so this is here, and now the second one is here. Right, second one is here. So what we see here is a square, and the perimeter of a square is 4 times the side, right? 4s, and side is given. You can see these small cuts on this side. What does it mean? It means that all sides are equal. In a square, we know that all sides are equal. But anywhere we have, if you see something like the small dash on the line, that means they all are equal. You can see here, this is 1 dash, 1 dash. So that means these two sides are equal, and the double dash, double dash. So that means these two sides are equal. And we know that in the rectangle, lengths are equal and width are equal, right? So that is how you need to recognize it. 4 times s, 4 times side, and side we know that it is p plus q, right? And again the distributive property as we see in the last video. So it will be 4p plus 4q. So that is the simplified answer for this question, right? Number 3. So number 3 comes here. So now we can see again the same mark on each side, right? So that means all 5 sides of this pentagon are equal. So that means 5 sides means 5 times of what? Side, right? We are doing perimeter. So what is side? 3 plus m. And with the distributive property of a multiplication, we will say 15 plus 5m. This is my perimeter of this pentagon, correct? So this way you can you need to remember that what perimeter is. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. So for rectangle, it is 2 times L plus W, and for square is 4 times side, and for pentagon is 5 times side, right? And side is given 3 plus m, and then you open up the bracket. Now we come to the second question. He says find the area of whole figure. So we can check this out, that this is dash and this is dash, right? So these two sides are equal. So we have no worries now for area, and area of a rectangle is equals to length times width, right? And width is 6 and length is, what is length? Length is comprising of 2 sections. One section 3y and other section is x. So how we write it? The sum, the whole thing is written in the parenthesis, which is x plus 3y, right, times width. What is width? 6. So my area equation or solution will be 6x plus 18y. If we know x and y, we can find out the area. It's just general expression, algebraic expression for the finding the area of the whole figure. Now, second question. So question number 2 here. This area will be same as length times w, but here you can see that length is comprising of two factors, n plus m. N plus m, so n plus m will go in the bracket, times w, w is 4 this time, and you open up the bracket, 4n plus 4m. So we have the area of this particular figure. Now we have this question number 3. What we need to focus on is what is area of a parallelogram. That is height, right? Length times height. So length is known, which is comprising of two factors again, b and 15. So length will be written as b plus 15. And what is the height or the altitude, which is 9a. So times 9a. If I put a dot, it is a multiplication sign, or we can put cross, right, for multiplication. But sometimes it confuses with x, so we don't put dot or nothing in between, right? Now we have to open it. So this will be 9ab plus 15 times 9 is 135, 135a. Right? So this is my answer. So in this way, we can find out the area and perimeter in terms of the unknown variables, right? If these variables are known, we just need to plug in the values and then we can get the answer. So hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button to receive another video. Thank you for watching.